I grew up on the East Coast, and there was a lot of respect for tradesmen and hard work.
It's the foundation for pretty much every society.
This is my passion. This is what I do. I'm best in the field.
I actually am building things that are going to be around for a long time.
Every building you look around, a tradesman built. The streets, the telephone poles, all this, they built.
Since I was a kid, my grandpa Firestone, he says if you take to a tool, you learn to use that tool to the best of your ability. So that stuck with me my whole life.
There's a lot to be said for going out and putting your mark on the world in such a way to where you've really put your all into something and just given it.
My dad, the one thing I can tell you that he always told me was, no matter what you do, you're always going to have to work. And you have to put forth your best effort to be the best at your job.
My whole entire life, I watched my dad raise our family on just doing commercial HVAC. Because of the knowledge that he gave me, here I am making a living for me and my family just like my dad did.
I started out doing a lot of industrial work. I just loved being on the site. I push a button and I wired it and it worked. It's amazing.
There's never a day that I don't learn one thing in life. And my wisdom has built itself through the School of Hard Knocks on trade sites to moving on with technology and seeing the evolution of our trade become easier, faster, stronger, and better.
Bosch Tools in general have grown through technology in a lot of ways.
They've helped our industry because they've taken it to another level each and every year.
You get a drill with a lot of torque in it, you know, and you could just power through things.
A lot of times electricians aren't so nice with their tools, but that Bosch drill always works every time.
Using tools that are durable, that last long, you can drop, we tear them up. It's the bottom line.
And I think there's a lot to be said for the blue-collar worker. There's a lot of people who I see coming into the trade that were in other facilities and other places working as white-collar workers that are now doing what we're doing and realizing that there is a place for that.
I mean, I show my wife the print sometimes and she goes, what are you building? To have a plan and to build it and say, hey, look, I built that, that's a huge accomplishment for me in my life.
Coming home to explain to your kids at the end of the day, it's what you do that matters and how you do it.